Hi, it's David here, and as promised, I did say I would share a number of observations and feedback around best practices for virtual platforms. So there was a preceding video that started to touch on this particular subject. So in this short video, what I wanted to do was focus on what I will call the 3 C's around virtual platforms. Those being what I will call clarity, communication, and conciseness. Maybe I wanted it. So let me take the first one first, which is clarity. So what this is about is making sure we are being really clear about what we are going to be presenting. So the idea of doing 30 PowerPoint slides, probably not the best approach. Are we able to get our message down to one slide if you're using something like storyboarding, or maybe a maximum of 2 or 3? So that's the clarity piece. In terms of communication, how are we going to make this whole session interactive? How are we going to be checking in with the customer? How do we make it engaging and more of a two-way process? Therefore, people are more likely to stay engaged, kind of contribute. There's a great fact out at the moment that talks about potentially over 90% of people when on virtual platforms are multitasking. So we have that challenge. So that's the communication piece. And the last one I wanted to talk about was the being concise, or conciseness, if that's such a word. So I think really here what we're doing is making sure we're really crystal clear or laser focused about what our message is. And I suppose more importantly about what is our value add, okay, to the customer and the circumstances that we're presenting to or finding ourselves in. So 3 areas, just to reiterate those 3 C's. So clarity, present, less is more. Communication, how do we make it two-way and interactive, and the conciseness around our message and what our value add is. Hope you're finding it useful. There will be more best practices around virtual platforms as we go forward. They're here to stay for a while, so let's get the most out of it. Thank you.